Discover the next level of automotive detailing with our selection of top-notch cordless car polishers. These state-of-the-art tools are engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and convenience, leaving your vehicle with a professional-grade shine without the hassle of cords. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless car polishers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Batoka Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, your ultimate car detailing companion. Number 5 on the list of must-haves for every car enthusiast. With its durable and noiseless design, the shell made of high-impact ABS ensures long-lasting performance. Inside, a powerful all-copper motor with anti-interference guarantees smooth operation. Weighing in at only 3 pounds, this lightweight and portable buffer polisher is a breeze to carry and store, making it ideal for on-the-go car enthusiasts. But that's not all. The Batoka polisher comes equipped with 2 batteries of 2.0 LDH and a fast charger, providing high efficiency for uninterrupted polishing sessions. Moreover, with adjustable speed settings from 1 to 6 levels and a range of 2,500 to 5,000 OPM, achieving that perfect finish with waxes, sealants, and glazes is now easier than ever. The best part, all these amazing features come at an unbeatable price of just $112. Meet the LDHT Hopi Buffer Polisher, a top-notch car detailing tool that guarantees a professional finish. This sleek number 4 rotary polisher boasts a 1,600 watts powerful motor with pure copper wire, ensuring durability and formidable strength. With its built-in carbon brush structure, the machine's safety is assured, granting you long-lasting service without worrying about interruptions. Experience unparalleled versatility with the 7-variable speed control dial, enabling you to adjust the polishing speed from 500 to 3,300 RPM to suit various materials and applications. The LDHT Hopi Buffer Polisher comes with sandpapers, foam pads for waxing, and wool polishing pads, allowing you to tackle different tasks with ease. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its compact size and lightweight build, 4.57 pounds, make it a breeze to handle. The detachable D-handle and side handle provide added convenience, while the switch lock design ensures a constant speed, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Get your hands on the LDHT Hopi Buffer Polisher now for just $79. Discover the Saker Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, your go-to solution for achieving a stunning, showroom-worthy finish on your car. Ranked at number 3 on our list, this polisher brings innovation and convenience to the world of car detailing. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional electric buffer polishers. With its lightweight and portable design, weighing just 2.3 pounds, you can now polish your car without being weighed down by cumbersome wires. No more worries about cord snagging or tripping hazards. Not just a pretty face, this polisher packs power and versatility. Its pure copper, 4-pole motor delivers robust dual-action random orbital motion with minimal noise, giving your car a professional touch. With 6 adjustable speeds, you can customize the polishing experience to suit your specific needs, achieving an impressive idle speed of up to 5,000 RPM. The Saker polisher is rechargeable, powered by a 12V 2000 mAh lithium battery. Charging is a breeze, and for even longer performance, you can opt for additions with 1, 2, or 3 rechargeable batteries. Introducing the Kimo Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, a game-changer in car detailing. Ranked number 2 on our list, this kit is here to liberate you from the tangles of cords and give you the freedom to move without boundaries. With a cutting-edge long-life Li-ion battery, Kimo has been leading the charge in battery technology for over 25 years. Their 1,000 charging cycle test ensures that each battery is not only lighter, but also more powerful and longer-lasting than others. Weighing in at just 1.7 pounds, the lightweight and ergonomic design of the Kimo Mini Polisher makes it a breeze to carry and store. The Kimo Random Orbital Polisher Buffer boasts adjustable speeds of up to 3,000 RPM, suitable for both professionals and beginners. You can customize the speed from 600 to 3,000 RPM with the Plus, buttons to tackle various tasks with ease, low speed for waxing and buffing, medium for polishing and cleaning, and high for removing paint defects and oxidation. Get ready to experience true freedom in car detailing with the Kimo Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, priced at just $79. Say hello to the SPTA 12V Cordless Car Polisher, our #1 pick for professional-grade polishing with a user-friendly touch. Its powerful motor offers reversible control and adjustable speeds ranging from 0 to 2,800 rotation per minute and 0 to 8,300 rotation per minute, providing versatility for all your sanding and polishing needs. The best part, no more worries about polish compound spray during startup. This fantastic polishing kit includes a whopping 30-piece of accessories at an unbelievably affordable price. From sponge pads, microfiber pads, and wool pads to 5/16 to 24 thread backing plates, batteries, a fast charger, microfiber cloths, and a washing mitt. You'll have everything you need to eliminate swirls, scratches, and defects from your car's paint surface and headlights. With 2 rechargeable and replaceable 1500 mAh batteries, your projects will run smoothly without interruption. The lightweight and portable design makes it a breeze to carry and store. The price is $89. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.